Hi friends, today's recipe is chicken in pita bread. This is Zina Abdul Majid and welcome to my channel Salt and Buttery. Today I'm going to make pita bread with whole wheat flour and not all-purpose flour. I've used the Ashirwad brand. I've taken 3 cups of Ashirwad atta, 2 tablespoons of yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, salt to taste, and in goes 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil and around 300 ml of water, which I have poured little by little so that I can understand the consistency of my dough. Mix well until all the flour is combined together. You will get all your flour combined like this and stuck to your hook attachment of the stand mixer. Now we are ready to remove the dough from the stand mixer. Take a bowl and grease it with some vegetable oil. Knead your dough as much as you can and let it rest for 1 hour or 2. After an hour or 2, you get the dough size doubled. Now you can see after an hour my dough size has been doubled. I have punched it and have kneaded it very well. And now I'm going to make these into small balls and again let it rest for an hour. With this measurement of 3 cups of flour, the dough will give you around 18 balls of 60 grams approximately. Cover it with a damp cloth and let it rest for an hour. Let's move on to the filling. I have taken 200 grams of chicken breast finely chopped, 1/4 cup of fresh yogurt, 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce, 3 tablespoons of ketchup. This will give you a slight sweet taste to your chicken. Then I have 1/2 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2.5 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/2 tablespoon of ground mustard, 1/2 tablespoon of ground pepper, salt to taste. Mix it until well combined. Then you add your 1 tablespoon of oregano. Crush it between your palms and then add it. And mix it very well. You can set this aside in the refrigerator for 15 minutes so that all your spices get infused to the chicken. Let's move on to the chutney. Heat a pan and drop in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is heated up, you can add in your 1/4 tablespoon of mustard, 1/2 tablespoon of cumin seeds and saute well. Now add in 1 chopped green chili and 1 medium-sized chopped tomato. You can add on 1/2 tablespoon of red chili and 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Saute them well. Salt to taste. Now you can add on 1 cup of chopped mint leaves, 1 cup of chopped coriander leaves or cilantro, 1 pea-sized tamarind. Mix it well until it is reduced and blend it in a mixer. Now let's cook the chicken. Heat a pan and drop in 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is heated up, add in all the chicken and cook it until tender or all the liquids in the chicken are evaporated off. Cook it well and then set aside. Now it's time to make the pita bread. Flour your surface and roll out the dough with the help of a rolling pin with an average thickness of 1/4 centimeter. Cook the pita bread on a hot skillet. Cook on both the sides until you get the pita bread fully puffed up. Cook all the breads in the same way. Here I have my breads ready. I've chopped some tomatoes, I've chopped some greens. You can either use lettuce, iceberg or cabbage, whichever is available. My chutney is ready, my chicken is also ready. Now let's stuff the pita bread. I used 2 tablespoons of chutney in each sandwich. Drop in some tomatoes. These are tomatoes which are de-seeded. Drop in some cabbage. I've used Chinese cabbage. Then goes the chicken. Stuff it well and your sandwich in a Desi style is ready. Stuff all the pita bread in the same way. You can serve these sandwiches with chutney or any sauce that you like. Here I have masala yogurt and chutney and stuffed chicken sandwich in a Desi style. Try out this recipe for sure. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Thanks for watching and bye for now.